Hi, it's Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast. Welcome, and thank you for joining me as we take our transformation journey day by day, thought by thought, and we are doing it together. In a few short minutes a day, we provokingly reflect and challenge ourselves into a different perspective, starting with just one thought. I coined them butterfly thoughts because we need to be reminded transformation comes in stages and can bring about beauty for butterflies and our lives. Today's episode is Sunrise, Sunset. Today I was driving to work. Same route, same time as usual, not much out of the ordinary day routine. Driving up over the hill, I see this absolutely gorgeous sunrise. It is just creeping up, and the colors of the sky are tremendous. We have been having beautiful sunrises and sunsets around our area this year, but this one, I can honestly say I'm not sure if I ever saw one quite like this. Within the pink and a little purple, I saw a lot of gold colors mixed in. It was actually quite unique. Here it comes, just dropped in, my butterfly thought. Did I ever see a sunrise like that, or was it my perspective that particular day? Perspective does make us look at scenarios differently. In fact, two people can see the same facts and, quote, see and feel them quite differently. Was I looking at it differently? Worth a reflection, because when I looked at that sunrise today, I became grateful. Almost instantly. I woke up today. I woke up to another day that I could experience any sunrise, let alone hoping that that day would hold great things. Let's just say it this way. We do not know how much time we have on this earth. In fact, we do not even know what a day could bring, and if this is our last. Sobering thought? Am I being negative? Actually, it's a fact. And I would agree that it's a sobering fact at that. Talk about putting our day into a different perspective. The old routine of every day, or the same old saying, might just change if we have a different perspective of gratefulness of the smallest and biggest of things. So today, like all of my days, I want to live them to the fullest. Am I able, or does that happen naturally all the time? No. Gratefulness puts me on a good track in living my days to the fullest and enjoying the smallest of things. I want to be able to know that when I go and lay my head down at the end of the day, I have done what I could do, mixed with doing my best at everything, spreading love and faith and hope to even touch one person. We all get tired. We all have those emotions that want to play with us, and sometimes they go haywire. We all have bad days, and we all go through bad times. I am no different in what life throws at us and have been through my share. That, my friends, is why these thoughts that quietly sneak in and speak can be so powerful, reminding us that there is a greater purpose for our lives. Gratefulness is powerful, and a different perspective can be life-changing. I hope the same for each and every one of you. Care to share your story? Please do. These stories can be uplifting for all of us. Thank you for joining. This is Kelly Savage with the Butterfly Thoughts Podcast.